Sick of fragile AI demos crashing? Let's build some truly bulletproof, production-ready autonomous workers right now.
Everyone obsesses over prompt engineering. But honestly, that's useless if your agent just dies halfway through a multi-day workflow.
So what's the fix? Google's Agent Runtime now keeps state persistent for a massive 7 days across 5 patterns.
Pattern 1 tackles context loss. If your agent glitches out on document 201, you absolutely shouldn't have to restart.
Enter checkpointing. Treat your agent exactly like a persistent data pipeline that just instantly resumes right after an error.
Pattern 2, human in the loop. Shoving complex agent memory into basic JSON completely wrecks your context and creates massive lag.
The smart move is a mission control inbox. Your agents safely pause in place, literally consuming zero compute while waiting.
For pattern 3, surviving 7 days requires brain structure. We're talking secure memory banks and dedicated working memory profiles.
But watch out for memory drift. Without super strict governance, agents learn terrible shortcuts and leak your data.
The trick is mapping this governance directly to rock-solid IT infrastructure. Think linking agent identity straight to standard IAM.
Moving to pattern 4, ambient processing, because frankly, not all agents need to sit around waiting for a human trigger.
These event-driven agents just run unsupervised for days, silently monitoring data streams, like doing continuous 24/7 content moderation.
Pro tip, never hardcode policies. Define them in the gateway. When rules change, your whole fleet adapts instantly.
Finally, pattern 5. In the real world, agents almost never work alone. You've got to orchestrate an entire specialized fleet.
A coordinator agent handles the handoffs, and since specialists run in isolated containers, one bad deployment won't crash everything. Blend these patterns together to build a powerhouse ecosystem: resilient processing, secure human review gates, and seamless fleet orchestration.
This exact architectural shift is the secret sauce. It transforms a fragile chatbot into a truly unstoppable autonomous worker.
So if one single error still resets your entire AI workflow, you've got to ask yourself, is your agent actually production ready?